Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Amri Rakib Khan. Uh, I am a student at English Fantasy. Now I would like to share about my first time visit at Dhaka. Actually, it was 2020 when I admitted in Dhaka. I came here with my father and my maternal uncle, and I think it was January 3, 2020, and we are came here by bus. And after that, when we are visiting Dhaka, and booked a hotel for 2 days. Then after that, we visit some places, new place, and we are enjoyed the moment. And I went visit for my campus, meet with some new friends. Then day by day, I enjoyed this moment. I had a friend. His name is Mahmoudul. Also good person. He always support me. Then some days, actually that's time I came here for new. I didn't know anything, how to go, how to get anywhere. After few days, I know everything, and I'm used to for with this city. Yeah, that's all of my visited at Dhaka. Assalamu alaikum.